Get acquainted with the 2023 Nissan Altima. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Get all the features you want and need in this multi-talented Altima. Spacious comfort, active safety tech and connectivity, flexible layout, athletic performance, and available all-wheel drive set the stage for a confident and highly enjoyable driving experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm, intermittent wipers, traction control, floor mats, variable speed intermittent wipers. Get into a family-focused sedan that knows how to have fun. This sporty Altima won't last long. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.